North by Northwest has been around for over 30 years. We do all kinds of video work, from corporate videos, TV commercials, to social media content, to even movies and TV. With all the projects that we have going on, the media needs to enter the post-production flow in a 24-hour period.
So my job as an editor has changed quite a bit. When I started, everything was shot on film. The directors had to really pay attention to what they were shooting and how much they were shooting. Now with flashcards, directors can just let the camera kind of roll. And that's great, but somebody has to deal with that footage.
Multiple cameras, high resolutions, large files. And the computers we had at the time with our hard drives that were storing our projects weren't fast enough to keep up with the pace and the rhythm needed to get our projects done in a time that meant meeting a deadline and also producing great quality videos.
From our cameras to our grip equipment to everything we use, it's got to be professional, it's got to work. A storage solution shouldn't be any different.
You can only go as fast as your drives will allow you to. So that's when I started searching for a solution.
I found a website called Iodine. They had a product called ProData. It's a large format SSD, 12 or 24 terabyte storage solution. I was pretty surprised to find that people had been taking the product apart to see how it was put together on the inside. Iodine had created this drive that was going to be a breakthrough in the market.
The ProData comes with the drive itself, a stand, power supply, 2 Thunderbolt cables.
Plugged it in, I downloaded the software, and before I knew it, I was moving all my projects from my old hard drives onto the ProData, and I was ready to work.
Now I can pretty much just drag that raw footage straight into the timeline, and the ProData will keep up.
The more productive we are, the more time and attention we're able to give to the creative side of things.
Everything was getting done faster. I found myself in a flow state where I was able just to think about creative types of editing.
I often have clients in the room, and I want to know that I'm going to be able to play back their video at the best quality possible. I don't want them to have to see frame drops, lagging video, or to wait around for a render. So the ProData has allowed me to do that, and it gives me this sense of security knowing that it's going to work when I need it to.
We've started a great relationship with Iodine. I can really see them in our future as we scale up and they scale with us.